Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading update video. Today's video we're going to be analysing my prop firm trading accounts, the results they've actually been able to achieve over the previous weeks and my progress so far with them, on my FTMO challenge accounts, my Lux Trading challenge account, and then a new challenge account, a new prop firm that I've decided to test after getting many emails from people asking about this prop firm. So I've signed up to them and I've created an account over the past couple of weeks, and we're going to see what the progress is on it. I will be doing a separate review on this prop firm once I get enough feedback to make the review and make a decision whether they're good or not. So before we actually get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Show your support for the channel so I can keep on making videos like this, sharing my near 15 years experience in the markets, hopefully to help you become a better, more profitable, consistent trader. So let's head over to my FTMO account. It's been another great week. I've actually started a second account with them for my Forex Copier Pro auto trading system, and that's the account there. We'll look at that in a minute. It started 3 days ago. This is the swing account, which I use my weekly swing system. And we'll head over to that. We're just over 1%. We're 2 weeks in and we're 1% on the way to the target. Like I said, the best thing I've seen this year from FTMO is the new unlimited time. That's one of the biggest reasons why I've went back to these kind of prop firms, because they have good, FTMO has good drawdown limits and it has the unlimited time period. So it allows you, and the swing account allows you to hold trades over weekends and things like that. So excellent. Another good thing that I've noticed, I didn't really know about this till I've started trading, that the drawdown is fixed from the starting balance, meaning the drawdown never moves. So we have a 10% drawdown, max drawdown of 50k. So as the drawdown does not trail your positions or your account as it grows, unlike what Lux Trading does. The only thing it does have is the 5% drawdown, which is fine. Okay, so what I plan to do once I get funded here, once I pass these funded challenges, is basically get the account well ahead, maybe up 10%, and then that'll give me a 20% buffer on the max drawdown. So that's the kind of the thinking that I want to do, and then build it from there and taking profits from there. So we'll see how we go. Drink of water here. So you can see the consistency score. We're starting to get a good score with it. We're up nearly into the green area. This will get better as the weeks go by. We're only into our second week. We're already getting a good consistency score, which is excellent. And you can see the equity. We still have some open positions, which is fine. I'm just letting some of my last positions from this week run a little bit further, the last quarter of the position, to see how far they can go. But all good. Risk reward ratio is good. Expectancy, profit factor is really good, 2.06. So everything's going good on the account. This is more or less an automated system. All I have to do each week on a Monday is enter my pending order. So I do the analysis for my trades. See, these are the trades here from this week. I do my analysis for the trades. I then enter my orders as pending buy and sell limits on a Monday morning here in Asia. And then I load my trade manager EA, and whatever trades trigger from my list of 20 setups, the trade manager EA will manage those positions, closing 50% of the position, moving stop loss to break even, and then closing the remaining of the positions at the end of the trading week. So everything is basically automated with the management side of the trades. All we do is simply enter the orders. As we can see, the system is working good. We're already up 1% in 2 weeks and moving nicely towards our target. So the second account is my scalping system trades. This is it here. Started 2 days ago. started yesterday. So we're in their second day of trading today. Sorry. And this is my completely automated Forex copier service. So, and by the way, this is not available to the public anymore. It's only available to me and current clients, private clients, before you ask. So this is the account. Here you can see the consistency score because we're only in 2 days. As we build the account, this will slowly move up. Okay, minimum trading days. Again, we're in their second trading day, third trading day. It says here. Yeah, so it's going well so far. See, that profit factor will go way down, and you can see 60 trades already in the first 3 days. So this is the scalping system, and 2 days in. So we'll see how that progresses over the coming weeks and months. See how quickly we can get to the profit target. Next account we will look at is Lux Trading. Okay, we can see the equity curve here again. This week has went higher. Another great trade. These are the same trades that are taken on this account as on the FTMO weekly swing account. We can see it is moving nicely. Okay, some currently $30 in drawdown, which is fine. Thing I don't like about this prop firm, I think I mentioned it several times, is the drawdown trails. So it's always a 5% drawdown. I don't like this. Other firms, where they will trail the drawdown till you get to the 5% target. They'll move the drawdown to the starting balance and then it stays fixed there. Lux Trading do not do that. They are constantly trailing the drawdown. So makes it a lot more difficult. It'll take a lot more time to hit the profit target. You can see 64 days already. You have to lower your risk when trading with them, basically because of the drawdown limit. And yeah, kind of the drawdown kind of limits to what you can do and achieve. And I suspect it is that way just to not get as many traders passing as possible. So on Lux Trading, again, I've no other problems with them so far. That's the only thing I don't like. If maybe in the future they increase the drawdown, that would be good. But again, to get to the higher targets for this prop firm, it will take a long time. So what I might do after this is, and even they've got a $1 million one pass phase, but the drawdown limits on that are crazy too. It's only 3 or 4% max drawdown, which is insane. So yeah, it's still going well. It's going good. We're growing, but once again, I don't like the trailing drawdown in it. But we'll see how it go. I'll keep you updated with it. Next one is FX2. Okay, I'll do a separate video on them. I have not reviewed them yet. I think I got 7 or 8 emails from people asking me to have a look at this company, which I have done. I've signed up to a 25k account. This is the results so far, and I will be doing a review on this. We are 29% of the way to the target. They have a max drawdown, which trails the account as you grow profit till you reach 6%, and then once you've reached 6% in profit, it will literally just stop. The drawdown stays fixed there, so you can grow the account from there, which is, I like that. I wish Lux Trading would do that also, but we will see. Maybe in the future would be something they kind of add. So I will be doing a review on FX2. I've had a lot of people asking me about that, but we're going well so far with it. Profit target is 10%. We're 2 weeks in and nearly $800 towards it. Max daily loss. Again, the key to trading prop firms is to have a system. And I've done a video on previously, to have a system and know your numbers with that system. And then you can scale up and down on the prop firms to stay within their drawdown limits. If you don't have a system, if you've never been consistent, you don't have any consistent trading results and numbers, you don't have any tracked anything, you will fail every single time doing this. So there, and literally, when you're going into these challenges without having any sort of system, any sort of track record, any sort of numbers, you've just basically went to some website, bought a system with someone, or watched some video on YouTube from some guru who's literally, I don't know if they're even trading themselves, but they've told you this works. You've never tested it. You've had no results yourself using the system. There's no point even going into these prop firms. You're just going to fail. You're just going to blow up. So you're just, again, like I've said before, you're just pissing your money up against the wall. So, yeah, this is how I'm able to do it. I've developed systems over the years for my weekly swing positions, and it's just rinse and repeat. It's pretty simple, very, very basic. Just follow the same steps each week. Allow my trade manager, EA, to do the trades for me. My automated trading service, I just let the robot work away, turns away the profits for me. Sometimes I'll step in to lower the drawdown or things like that there, just to control things if needed. That's one of the things you want to be doing about automated trading. Just you have to keep an eye on it. And yeah, it's just rinse and repeat. It's very, very simple. But again, if you're getting into trading these prop firms without anything, without any of your own numbers, without any consistent trading record for yourself, you're going to fail. So just pay heed that you're going to fail. These companies know that. Brokers know that. They know the numbers. If you're going in there and just chancing your luck, you're going to fail. So basically, what I recommend is go out there, getting the system, either getting one that works, developing one yourself, back testing it, and forward testing it on your own account or own small account, or you can get a small prop firm account. Test it, get your numbers, and once you know your numbers, you can go into any prop firm, any of these firms, and you can scale. Because you have your numbers, you can scale up, you can scale down. And this is exactly what I'm able to do when I go into these companies here. My own accounts have bigger drawdowns, but I know my numbers over a large sample size. So all I have to do is lower my trade size on these accounts, and they'll stay within the limits. So, yep, I'll keep you updated with how these are going next week. Well, not next week. Yeah, next week I'm flying to London, so hopefully be able to do a couple of videos on the weekend when I'm over visiting my sister. So that's the video. We're going good so far. If you want to get access to my TRFX indicator for TradingView and you want a system that works that you can test using it, there is a video above. You can head over and watch it. Head over to TradingView, get the indicator absolutely free, test it, back test it, and let me know your results. Thanks for watching. Will over at Pips and Gains.